with pieces of chalk and a green chalkboard under the talented hands of art teacher Lê Thị Lộc Phương at Tu Hat Primary School No. 1 in Hương Trà Ward, Hue City. The heritage sites of Hue have been vividly illustrated, turning them into lively drawings that make art lessons more engaging and meaningful for the students.
For me, chalkboard drawing is a true passion. It not only brings joy and enhances the effectiveness of my teaching at school, helping students become more engaged and eager to learn, but also brings personal happiness as I stay connected with the chalk lines, continuously developing my own skills. I often choose themes related to Hue's heritage for my drawings because I am a child of Hue. I want to introduce students as well as everyone else to the beauty and value of Hue's cultural heritage.
As an art teacher at Tu Hat Primary School No. 1, Phương is always creative in her lessons, transforming the classroom's green chalkboard into works of art themed around Hue's heritage.
My students are very excited in art classes. They also want to draw beautiful paintings on green chalkboards.
Having dedicated over 20 years to the teaching profession, Phương continues to explore and create every day, nurturing in her students a love for art. She guides them through chalk drawing techniques, turning each art lesson into an engaging and meaningful experience.
Teacher Phương is a great artist. I really love her art classes.
Teacher Phương chalkboard drawings always bring the classroom to life. Notably, she also spread the chalkboard drawing movement among her fellow teachers, encouraging a shared passion for artistic expression in education.
Each skillfully blended stroke of white and colored chalk transformed the classroom board into vivid drawings of Hue's famous landmarks. These artworks help students explore the heritage and culture of Hue in a more visual and engaging way. At the same time, they contribute to spreading the chalkboard drawing movement among fellow teachers, encouraging innovation in teaching practices.